Do you have what it takes to start your own? Owning your very own business is a big step for many individuals to take in life. Yet more and more individuals are doing just that and stepping up to the challenge which comes with being a business owner. There are many different businesses that one can undertake, and many of these businesses turn into successful ventures. Prior to starting up a business, it is wise to take a look at a few things to determine if you have what it takes to start your own business. Financial background. As with many things in life, starting a new business costs a good deal of money, both in the beginning and throughout the business venture. One should consider their financial background to determine if this is something which they can afford. Funding a new business can be done via savings, loans, or taking on financial partners. By looking at the financial situation right in the beginning, the hopeful future business owner can see whether or not this is the right time to start a new business. Schedule and time availability. Time is another factor that must be considered in relation to starting one's own business. Starting and pursuing your business will take quite a bit of time, so it is crucial that one is sure they have the time to devote to their new project. Some businesses will require more time and effort than others. However, this is something which all individuals should take into account, as the more time one puts into a project, the more success it is likely to see. Sheer dedication. Starting and cultivating a new business takes more than time and money. It is something that takes sheer dedication on the part of the business owner. An individual who decides to start their own business must have this desire to pursue their occupation to the utmost of their capabilities and follow through on things from start to finish. If you have sheer dedication, you will be more likely to turn your business into something wonderful. Ability to ask for help. Lastly, one should also possess the ability to ask others for help with getting their business off the ground and running. This can be enlisting the aid of family members, friends, or even paid workers. Depending on the size of the venture, it is often difficult for one individual to start a new business without asking others to pitch in and help from time to time. Whether it is asking for tax help or having family members help out with caring for the kids, there is often something that others can do to help make the business even that much more successful. Watch the next video on your screen.